it's Shruti. Welcome to my channel. So, it's finally December. This 2020 year will end. बहुत ही खराब गया ये कोरोना की वजह से. So, छोड़ो ये सब. So, today's video is all about Insta stories. As you can see, everyone is creating very beautiful and creative Insta story. ऐसा लगता है कि हम भी करें यार. So, हम भी कर सकते हैं. Why not we? Actually, it was my friend's birthday, so I did a beautiful and creative Insta story. It is not difficult, but it is time consuming. Initially आपको difficult लगेगा, पर एक बार आ गया तो आप बहुत ही अच्छे creative Insta stories बना सकते. तो taking its help, you can create different theme stories like for anniversary. और अगर आपको फ्रेंड को थैंक यू करना है कि वो आपके लाइफ में है इसलिए आपकी लाइफ ब्यूटीफुल हुई. अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हो तो आउटिंग स्टोरी, या अगर इफ यू आर हैंगिंग आउट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स फॉर लंच देन दैट ब्यूटीफुल फूड. सो यू कैन क्रिएट ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरीज एंड इट इज वेरी क्रिएटिव. सो लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टाइम, लेट्स बिगिन.
ओके तो ये लाइन मैंने डैश लाइंस यूज़ किए हैं फ्रॉम नंबर की पैड. एंड उसके बाद एक बार आपका वो टेक्स्ट में आप ऐड कर लोगे तो आफ्टर दैट यू कैन रोटेट एनी हाउ यू वांट. देन आई एम कॉपिंग इट. आप लॉन्ग प्रेस करोगे उस पर तो आपको वो ऑप्शंस आ जाएंगे सब. एंड अगेन आई एम पेस्टिंग इट एंड आई एम रोटेटिंग इट अगेन. सो ऐसे ही करके हम लोग फ्रेम बनाएंगे. ओके सो आई एम राइटिंग हैप्पी बर्थडे. देन we can take any color from the image so that it will be look like as if we have themed it. Okay, I am placing above. I'm seeing where it will look good. So yeah, I find this is the best place finally. So again I am typing birthday, and again I will choose another color from the image. That the first option which look like a dropper, take that. With that help you can pick the color from the photo you have selected. Place it properly. Then again I am copying that line because I want that line above and want to give a hanging effects of light. So let's see how I will do. Yeah, now I have pasted. Now I will rotate anywhere where I want. So I will take it above and rotate and place vertically. Similarly, I will paste few more lines and color them from the theme. See the option which is highlighted. This option I have used for this lighting effect. And I am doing dots, dotted line for creative look. I'll place down. One more line at bottom of the image, and I will color it as well from one of the color from the image. Then yeah, again I am using that lighting effect and making the size of the pencil small. Okay, on the left hand side you can drag. See, I had dragged it. There is an option there to reduce its size or make its size big. And yeah, finally you can find GIF like beautiful candle. So I found this beautiful one at the bottom left. I have taken it, I have made small and put on the left hand side of the image where I found the place appropriate. Now I want, see, I took these hearts because it is looking similar colors from the image, so it is looking good. Now I want something GIF of a gift. I will search for a gift. It's taking time to load. Yeah, and I finally got this. It's really beautiful. I will place it at the bottom right. And finally I will mention my friend. And yeah, it's done.
So, hope this was helpful for you. Stay connected. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button below. Stay fit, be happy. So, see you soon. Bye-bye.